Okay, so this is just a revision of what you guys have done in Chapter 5 on how to generate a scatter plot. Normally, as you guys have probably seen in some of the research articles that you've read, they usually have a bar graph or a scatter plot or something illustrating the data. So again, this is how we would do this. You're going to go up here to Graphs. You're going to go to Chart Builder. All right, and you're going to select Scatterplot right here, and we can go with the first one. The first one gives you a simple scatter plot. However, if you go with the second one, it gives you a simple scatter with the fit line, which is generally what you are going to see when you look at data. So we're going to grab that, we're going to pull that into our gallery, and let's look at exam performance and exam anxiety. All right, and then we're just going to click OK. And there is our pretty scatter plot. So remember, if you're ever going to copy and paste this into a Word document, you just right click, and I always just copy as an image, and that image then I paste in a Word document. So that's how you do a scatter plot. Nice and pretty, good looking graph right there, and we get to do some of that.